Like, am I the only one experiencing these outrageous charges from Gray? Like, is it only affecting me or is also affecting everyone that is making use of Gray? Like, tell me, how on earth will Gray charge me per transaction? If I receive money in dollar, Gray will charge me $2. If I receive money in euro, Gray will charge me €2. If I receive money in pounds, Gray will charge me £2. Who does that? £2 per transaction. That's depending on how much you received. If you received more than, they will still charge you more than, which is very, very bad. Now, let me show you guys what I mean. Now, this is my Gray account. My Gray account. This is what I used to receive money from Amazon. Gray was not like this before. There was not like this before. They just started these their charges of a thing recently. Okay, now this is it now because of their outrageous charges, I have to withdraw my whole balance remaining money that I have there. Now this is it here. So this one is eight pounds. I withdrew £8. Then this one is $12. I withdrew them, and the whole withdrawal was on 22nd July. Okay, now let me show you guys something. Okay, if you check very well now, all of these things are from Amazon. Okay, so let's check this one. This one is 29 May. Now let's check this one now. So this particular currency now is dollar. This particular currency is dollar. Okay, and the grade is charging me for $2. They charged me for $2, and this money that I received was 14.39 cents. Okay, that's $14.34. And Grade charged me $2 per transaction, per this transaction, and they left me with $12, which is very, very bad. It's not good, honestly speaking. Now let's go back. Let me also show you guys. Now this one is 29 April 2025. Now this one is euro. I got a deposit of £2 13 cents, and Gray charged me £2 without any atom of mercy, without any atom of remorse. That, hey, why this guy, the money he received was low. Let me just, let me not charge them. Let me not charge him. Let me just, come out even if it's 1 cent. No, they literally collect £2, which is very, very bad. Do they know how much that £2 is? £2 now is over 4,000 something, and they're charging me this £2. Who does that? It's very, very bad, honestly speaking. Now let me show you guys again. The one that pained me most. Let me show you guys the one that pained me most. That even made me to withdraw the whole balance that I have in there. Let me show you. Oh God, great. They are very, very funny. Honestly, they are funny people. Now this transaction was made on this withdrawal was made on 28th March 2025. Okay, so I withdrew this particular money because of their charges. I withdrew this particular money, and this money here is, let me show you. Okay, so this money here that I withdrew now is 186 euro. I withdrew this 186 euro, and they still charge me for transaction fee of almost €2. That's the €1 point 88 cents, almost €2. Why would they do like this, Gray? Like, I was angry that you guys are charging me $2, €2, and £2 per transaction, and you are still charging me for my withdrawal. Abba. All right, let's continue. So because of these their charges, I decided to withdraw all my balance from them. I withdraw all my balance from them. Let them not receive money from me again. So guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing these both app, Gray and CLEVA. Okay, we'll be checking them out to see the one that has the best rates, the best conversion, the best charges, and the best deposit fee. Okay, among two of them, because of these great charges, I now switched to CLEVA. Okay, now if you don't know what Gray is all about, Gray is a platform that helps you to receive money across the world, any currency of your choice: dollar, euro, pounds. All right, so you can literally get the account number to receive money outside the world. All right, so that is something as CLEVA as well, but the difference is that CLEVA does not accept euro accounts or pounds account. They only have access to what's it called, US accounts. Okay, she I've showed you the whole transaction so far. These are the whole transaction. Then one thing you need to know is that Amazon KDP is paying. Amazon KDP is still paying. But whosoever that tells you that you don't need to work, you don't need to publish anything, you don't need to be this, you don't need to do that, you just be earning like that. Nah, lie. That person is trying to scam you. That person is trying to rape your money. Before you can be able to make a dime from Amazon, you got to put in work. It's not by talking, it's not by preaching, it's not by prophecy, it's by hard work. You get. So when I tell you that Amazon is paying, is literally paying. Do well to like the video, subscribe, and also share so that other can also benefit from this video. All right. So let's get straight to it. Now let me move over to my Clever account. So this is my Clever account. I'm going to log in now. I'm going to log in. All right. So it's opening. Now I switched to this Clever because of grace charges, like I said earlier. I beg, may they no kill me with charges. Which one is monkey they walk, babu they chop? All right, so this is my Clever account. Let me see the remaining balance I have there. Okay, I have a $28 there balance. Okay, so now let's now check their transaction fee, everything, their rates, so forth and so on. Let's compare Clever with Great. Let's see the one that has the best rate. Okay, now in terms of rate, let's see. Now in terms of rate, this is the rate now. Okay, now Clever is offering $1 at 1,505. This is Clever rate. $1 is equals to 1,525 naira. Okay. Now, if you move over to Clever, let's check Clever's rate. Let's check Clever's rate now. Let's check their rate. Let's check their rate. $1. All right. Now, today's rate. Look at it. As you can see, today's rate. Clever is offering $1 for 1,500. Haba. Which one is 1,500? Now, have you seen that Clever's rate is far more better than Grace rate? Okay, and again, as this rate is concerned, they are still giving you 1,005, and they are still charging you for their conversion fee on top the whole 1,500 rates that they gave you. Okay, now let's move back to Clever. Now let's check their conversion rate. Let's check their convert rate. Okay, let's say remember $1 is about wait 1,505. 1,505. Okay, now to convert this 1,505, Clever is absolutely going to give you 98 cents, which is they are charging 2 cents per transaction. You get, they are charging 2 cents per transaction. Okay, so now hope they're charging 2 cents per transaction. Let's move over to Gray. Let's see how much Gray is charging. Okay, now $1 here. Remember $1 here. So Gray is going to charge you first. Gray will charge you for your conversion fee of 1 cent. Okay, and they're going to give you 99 cents, which means their conversion charges is 1 cent, whereby Clever their conversion rate is 2 cents. The only difference there is 1 cent. As so Gray is 1 cent better than Clever, but I still choose Clever. Okay, now let's go back to Clever. Let's go home. Okay, now let's check their transaction fee. Let's see their transaction fee here. Let me go back to transactions. Okay, so these are money that I've received so far. All right, now let's open this. So I received this money on August 29, 2025. Okay, this is when I received this money. So Let me go down. All right. So, oh wait. All right. So now, sender from Amazon. Hope you see Amazon.com service. Now, amount sent to you $15. They sent me $15, and the deposit fee, which is also known as the transaction fee, is $1, which is okay for me. It's okay by me. I'm not complaining. It's $1. You get, and they gave me $14, which is okay. I like it that way. But now let's check Gray. Let's see how much Gray is charging. Now, if you go over to Gray, now let's go back. Let's go over to transaction. Now, come over here. This one is deposit. Okay. So, oh, wait, let me go back. Let me go back and show you. Okay. Okay. This one here is deposit from Amazon.com service. As you can see, and this one is on 29 May 2025. Okay. Now, I was paid $14, and Gray and Gray debited me of $2 per transaction, and they gave me $12. Why will you guys collect $2? Why will you guys collect $2? Eh? This one is not that if they collect $2, next transaction they're not going to collect $2. Like if they collect this $2 now, and it happens that you still receive another payment of $1.50, they will debit that $1.50 and still might not see that you have an outstanding balance of 50 cents. It will shock you. They've literally done it to me. Oh. They will tell you that you have an outstanding balance of 50 cents to pay. And once you receive another payment that is more higher than maybe $5, they will now remove $2.50 to cover up your balance. Man, I can't stand these their charges. That was why I now switched to CLEVA. Okay, so hope you guys are learning something from this. If you are getting value from this video, please do well to subscribe, share, and comment so that others can also benefit from this video. Okay, now if you prefer using Gray over CLEVA, please indicate in the comment section. If you prefer using CLEVA over Gray, also indicate in the comment section. All right, now let's check their withdrawal rate. Let's check the withdrawal rate. Now I'll go over to home. I'll go over to home now. Then let's check how much they charge per withdrawal. All right, now I'm going to click on transfer. That's CLEVA. I'm on CLEVA now. I'll click on the bank. Okay, then I'll click on, let's see, I want to withdraw $1. Let's just say I want to withdraw $1. Now this $1 now, CLEVA, this $1 now, CLEVA is not charging me anything on this transaction. It doesn't seem that, like, it's not because that I'm withdrawing $1. No, even if I say now, okay, let me withdraw $28, they are still going to charge me zero money. See, free charges here, fee 000. They're not going to charge me anything. They're going to pay me my money completely. That's what I want. You've already taken your transaction fee of $1. My withdrawal should be free again. You will not be paying, charging me withdrawal fee and also deposit fee. Who does that? Okay, so CLEVA, their withdrawal fee is 0. Now let's check Gray. Gray will shock you. All right, so now Gray. Now let's say that we want to withdraw. Let me go over home. Let's go over home now. Let's see, I want to withdraw. Let me go over to Euro, send money by bank transfer. Okay, Nigeria. All right, Naira. Okay, OP. I'm putting my bank details now so it will bring out the withdrawal interface. Okay. Let's see that I want to withdraw $1. Dum, 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 dum. All right, $1 now. They will still charge me for their conversion fee. Why? Okay, they still charge me for conversion fee of 1 cent, and they still charge me of send fee of 227 cents, which is literally 2 cents. Okay, plus 1 cent, that's 3 cents. and they're going to send me 97 cents. Who does that? Why are you guys sending me 97 cents? And see, and that 97 cents, look at it, with their 1,500 rate, they're giving you 1,451. Hope you can see. Hope you can see that CLEVA, their charges, their rates, their convention, their withdrawal is more better than Gray, honestly speaking. So that's why I moved from Gray to CLEVA. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. I'll be seeing you guys soon.